Hi everyone, I wanted to go over the homework packet for the week of February 3rd, 2020. So of course, every single day after you do your reading with a grown-up, make sure the grown-up signs their name. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And of course, learners, make sure you write your name and your mailbox number on top, and this will help the mailbox monitors do their job too. This week's spelling words are right here. The first word is the word to, T-O-O-2. So for example, I have a dog too. This too means also. So the word too can be confusing because sometimes people get it. It sounds just like these other twos. So this is the one from this week, T-O-O. It means also, 也是. So this two, T-W-O, is the number two. Like I have 2 guinea pigs. This one is to, like I am going to school. I am going to the supermarket. The second word that we have is the word then. Then, T-H-E-N. We have recess and then lunch. So then can sometimes be confused with than. Then is when you have first, next, then. Than, T-H-A-N, means, for example, I am older than you. The third spelling word that we have is were, W-E-R-E. So for example, we were just about to go to recess. Mother. My mother is a babysitter. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R. Our last word is the word our, O-U-R, our. For example, this is our classroom. So the word hour can sometimes also sound like the word hour for time. So this hour, H-O-U-R, is spelled with an H, but it sounds exactly the same as our classroom. But this hour, with an H, means the time. For example, we have 1 hour of reading time. So this week's skill of the week is for you to know what borough you live in. So this is just like last week's skill of the week. And most of us live in Queens. There is also the Bronx, which is on the top, Manhattan, Queens, Brooklyn, and Staten Island. So of course on the back of the cover sheet, we have a list of ways that you can practice the spelling words for the week. And this week's handwriting practice, we're practicing the numbers 30, 40, 50, and 60. Notice how they all end with the Y. Make sure the Y goes all the way down. Some learners get the Y confused and write the Y backwards, so make sure that you slide down and then from the right to the left. Make sure you also practice writing the numbers. Because the number 30 is a number that some of us get mixed up and we write backwards. So make sure 30 is facing the right way along with 40, 50, and 60. 50 and 60 are also other numbers that we tend to get mixed up sometimes. And that's okay, but that's what we practice. So this week our poem is called I Had a Loose Tooth. So while I'm reading, think about how you're going to illustrate or draw a picture for the poem. I had a loose tooth. I had a loose tooth, a wiggly jiggly loose tooth. I had a loose tooth, a hanging by a thread. I pulled my loose tooth, my wiggly jiggly loose tooth, put it neath my pillow, that means beneath, under, and then I went to bed. The fairy took my loose tooth, my wiggly jiggly loose tooth, and now I have a quarter and a hole in my head. So on the bottom here, there's also some actions that you can also try. So this week's math is Guess My Rule. So this is kind of a review of some of the things that we did before about shapes. And rule 1 says has 4 corners. So remember, a corner, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are corners. That's where there's a turn. Rule 2 has 3 sides. So this is the corner, this is the corner, corner, corner. This is a side. The side, side, side. So this has 4 sides. So you have to circle the ones that have 3 sides. And for ongoing review, it says how many triangles and how many circles. So learners, of course, if you have any questions about the homework packet, feel free to let me know.